Well, good morning, class, and welcome to Management 5621, Managing Human Resources. So excited to have each one of you in class. I think it's going to be a great semester, and you're going to learn so much. My name is Justin Lacey, and I'll be your instructor this semester. Whenever you email me or call me or whatever, feel free to call me Justin. You don't have to say Professor Lacey or Dr. Lacey. Justin will work just fine. Whenever I'm responding to you, I will almost always call you by your first name. So feel free to call me by my first name. I'm very informal, so you don't have to say Professor Lacey, Dr. Lacey, anything along those lines. I am currently, as you probably see from my polo here, I'm the director of institutional equity and diversity at St. Louis University. So I'm on the other side of town. But have actually worked at UMSL previously. I spent about a year at UMSL as the senior human resources consultant and Title IX coordinator for the university. So again, I'm very familiar with UMSL. Love teaching this class. I'm very familiar with UMSL itself. I've been in human resources since 2004. So, I've almost spent 20 years of my career in HR. So again, it's my passion. It's what I love to do. And actually since 2013, I've actually been in higher education human resources. So a lot of the examples that I use are higher ed related. But again, everything that we're going to talk about this semester is going to be relevant for you. And I think what makes this class so great and human resources in general is no matter what you do in your career, whether you're a manager, a frontline employee, a doctor, a nurse, an architect, a lawyer, no matter what you do, even if you're a CEO, hey, principles follow you everywhere because everything that you do at work relates to HR in some way. How you get paid, your benefits, performance reviews, hiring and firing, dealing with unions, training, anything that relates to HR is going to follow you throughout your career no matter what you do. So what you will learn this semester, I think, is so critical to fully understand the broad picture of what it's like to have a career and what goes into those details. And again, if you are interested in HR as a career, then a lot of what we'll talk about will help you as you progress through that aspect. So again, the first module is posted. For the first week, I want to kind of start off a little bit light. So I just wanted you to read the first two chapters of the book, and there's no actual book assignment for week one. There's just a class introduction, so you can kind of get to know your classmates, and I get to know more about you. And what you write in it helps me to understand, how you prefer to learn and the types of stuff you're interested in learning about throughout the semester. So please, make sure that you follow the discussion assignment carefully this week. So for other assignments throughout the semester, a lot of times, especially if we do discussion board assignments, they're usually going to be two due dates. One, your initial post will usually be due on Thursday of that week, and then the responses to at least two classmates will occur on Sunday. I will post most modules almost always on Monday unless there's some other reason that I can't, and I'll make sure to let everybody know in advance. So I do try, if you email me, I do try my best to respond within 24 hours. If you email me on the weekend, it might be 48 hours, but feel free, and I will always try to get back to you as soon as possible. As far as grades go, whenever you submit an assignment, usually on Monday, I will do my best to get that assignment graded by Wednesday or Thursday of that week. Now, for various reasons, it may not always happen, and I will let you know if it's going to be different, but usually by Wednesday or Thursday of that week, I will get your assignment graded and back to you. Because again, I don't want you to have to wonder where you're at in class, so I always want you to know, where you stand. So again, for week one, very, very light. Again, I just want you to read the first couple of chapters just to kind of get an introduction and then just do the class introduction, and then we'll start actually chapter related assignments starting next week. But again, I can't tell you how excited I am to have each one of you in class. Again, I consider myself an HR guy. I just love it. It's why I do what I do for a living. So, and I'm hoping by the end of the semester, not only will you have a better appreciation for human resources, but it'll be something that you will actively engage in, in your organization itself. So, if you have any questions, please let me know. Feel free to always email me or call me. I left my office number on the syllabus. I'm open to meeting in person if you ever want to. Again, I'm on SLU's campus, so you'd have to actually come to SLU's campus. And but again, I understand there may be times where you absolutely want to meet in person. Just let me know in advance. We can schedule a time where you can come to SLU's campus in my office, and I'm happy to meet with you in person. Just let me know in advance if that's something that you're interested in doing. So, but again, I can't tell you how excited I am to have each of you in class. It's going to be a great semester, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to let me know. Thanks.